Hey y'all, I was sent over some lawnmower blades to do a little package opening and to give you my first impressions of them. So we're gonna get them opened up and we'll see what they look like and how sharp they are and whatnot. They're heavy, I can tell you that. Now these are for a Husqvarna mower, so different ones for different mowers. Really heavy and solid. There's a nice edge on it. Got the right fitting here. You're supposed to have an angle on them to give you like a little bit of a lift to keep from clogging up your chute. It'll lift it up and kind of disperse it better than your standard blades. Very heavy. Without measuring it, I'm going to say about 3/16 of an inch thick. So you ought to be able to sharpen these several times when it comes time. I'd read some of the reviews and they said that they was lasting all season without needing sharpening. So when you get these things put on there, you're probably not going to have to worry about sharpening them this season, maybe it's next season. But either way, you've got some good thick metal to work with, so it'll be good for some resharpening if you're into sharpening your own blades. But for the price at these, you can probably just order you some new ones. Comes with 3 of them. Getting them installed and get to mowing. Definitely heavy duty and like I said, nice thickness, sharp edges for lawnmower blades. You know, they're not like pocket knife blade or whatever, but for a lawnmower blade, it's pretty good. Give it a thumbs up. Hey, if you'd like to order some of these for yourself, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can order your own. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Hey, I am Amazon Associates. So any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.